Do you know that Facebook have a place that can sell your product for free or charge without you running advert, and you get massive sales on this particular place? But most people don't know about this place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list your product on Facebook Marketplace, and you can start getting massive sales on your product on Facebook Marketplace. So make sure you watch this video to the end to be able to know the step-by-step on how to list your product on Facebook Marketplace, and you can start getting massive sales on your product. Whether you are selling used product or you are selling new product, you can use this method to sell your product on Facebook Marketplace for free of charge. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. And if you are not following me on this page, make sure you follow me on this page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So let's dive into the video. So log into your Facebook profile, then you can click on your profile picture, then click on Marketplace. So you can see Marketplace here. So you click on Marketplace, then it will bring you to this interface. So you can see sell and category. You click on sell because you want to list your product on this platform, so you click on sell. So you are going to select different categories. We have an item, vehicle, and property for sale or rent. We are going to click on property for sale if you want to sell property, so depending on what you want to sell. Then the next thing is for the category, depending on what you want to do. If you want to rent something, property at, you click on, you select rent. If you want to sell something, click on sale. So let me click on sale. Then you enter the name of that thing that you want to sell. Then you enter the price that you want to sell that particular thing. Then after that, you come to this place, you describe what you want to sell. So you need to enter a detailed description, because the description will help you to sell the thing faster. Then you enter the tag. Then the next, you are going to upload the picture of that particular item that you want to sell. So you click on add photo. You can add up to 10 photos of that particular item that you want to sell. Then you click on next after you have selected all the photos that you want to use. So once you are done with everything, then you click on next. So it's going to bring you to this interface, list, publish, marketplace. So if you want to also send it to any particular group, you can select those group, then you also send it to those particular group. So let me just select some group. So once you are done and you have selected all the group, then you click on publish. So it will bring you to this interface. So your market profile. So you are going to be seeing everything on this particular place. So this is how to sell your product on Facebook Marketplace, and you can start getting massive sales on Facebook. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are not following me yet, make sure you follow me on this page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So I will see you in my next video.